dances, wild and joyful, beneath a sky of painted light. Colors soaring, free and fearless, turning day into the night. Every brushstroke tells a story, every line begins to sing, while the world keeps softly spinning on the canvas of the spring. Layer upon layer, life awakens, rising from a distant shore. What appears to be pure chaos holds a meaning at its core. Chroma, chroma, chaos untamed, yet nature's beauty still remains. Dots and splashes, bright and free, dancing through eternity. Chroma, chroma, colors fly, a storm of dreams across the sky. Between the wild and something sure lies the wonder of nature. Thousands of dots, 1,000 pathways, none the same and none confined. Colors breaking every boundary, leaving old rules far behind. Red and gold and shades of sapphire tell the tales no words can say. In the circles and the splatters lies the courage of the day. Layer upon layer of motion forms a melody of light, and within the grand confusion everything becomes just right. Chroma, chroma, chaos untamed, yet nature's beauty still remains. Dots and splashes, bright and free, dancing through eternity. Chroma, chroma, colors fly, a storm of dreams across the sky. Between the wild and something sure lies the wonder of nature. When the colors drift and scatter, they return upon the breeze. For within the heart of chaos grow the finest mysteries. Petals open, wings of sunlight, passing brilliance leaf to leaf, and the world becomes much larger than our eyes could once believe. Chroma, chroma, ocean of hues, every layer brings a different view. Dots and splashes, fierce and bright, painting wonder into light. Chroma, chroma, chaos pure, yet the spirit of nature endures. Bloom, dance, rising ever higher, a masterpiece of color and fire. Blooming dances, wild and free, chroma sings in every tree. Chaos, color, sky and flower, nature's everlasting power. Blooming dances, wild and joyful, beneath a sky of painted light. Colors soaring, free and fearless, turning day into the night. Every brushstroke tells a story, every line begins to sing, while the world keeps softly spinning on the canvas of the spring. Layer upon layer, life awakens, rising from a distant shore. What appears to be pure chaos holds a meaning at its core. Chroma, chroma, chaos untamed, yet nature's beauty still remains. Dots and splashes bright.